credibility, and I would explain policy credibility to the layman on the policy credibility. I say, Mommy, policy credibility, no, say credibility, I say GDA credible, GDA credibility. Okay, enti a GDA and Crawford any womunti, o kobobo siya ye mount. Mommy, never ya day, and Crawford GDA ewu. The only thing Crawford GDA woman say, ukure champon suba ni bi, yentia. So who cry to your subani bidia? There will be beer and Bremo and as economically near your friend economic blacklist. That was how far Mahama took us. Mammy, Mr. Mahama personal, not sabi in previous so. Say, wait, Mr. Meka. Say, Ope say, would do where we are cry. I am said there be a Rihanna, not sure, man, ran over about them and also your government. Into my own enjoy. Are you understanding? And Mr. Mahama, actually teacher Kwadwo nim. And the teacher Kwadwo Juma. I got sign say, "Eya me on my Ghana me Mahama na me dano. Ya mam electricity bill say me nkotua. Me ntua na medi enti ye de summu. E teacher for cause strike because me ntua omoka. Omo kura sabe me anka so me ma ye mo letters wo mo nkoya adwuma no. Sika eni wonti me fra omo akromfo. I don't know me from Acronfo because the Kobe say, yes, let us say, I didn't teach a Nino, then you're correct. Into your bed, you're 3 months. Me patcho, I mean, I'm Ghana for why? A dianco like what at all? Will you teach any? Your child allowance, move here. I say, we pay no swam. Sabe. What now? Why Juma nka we expect to say pay in the beba unsem na. Yes, walk wrong for because let any young farm mount and I would dig the coffee let any coach there by force. That yes, yeah. We dig the year then a coach there by force. Decide yeah. We didn't send you. We will pay you 3 months for the other years. Forget. That teacher could just say Mahama, yeah. Teacher Kwadwo we ya na we begina wa wo ye usabi office wo gu aban ni mu asi Mahama penso ya mfa na adwuma mu na allowance kakra na eja wo de faka edukodi ne ge edu wo village kura na yesan gifri ni nsem na president and trimu orden no oji allowance no unim de ode share ho or sit loan now picture a student going for a loan at 25%. Now in the school, do you know why too? Because economically, I don't want your tyrant has mismanaged our money to the Yankopon Mekasa. So, because see, oh, Papa say, na kwaya me say, ye journey since semu. But what you mean, Jao Papa since semu? Said the TB do Papechi. Said they are down for be the trouble to no so and no woman is on to my daho. Now I'm planning Yanka say now starting no na very soon about it in some 1 year on your planning and quasi assembly na baby out. Because they say case me they do no I do crucial I pinso me forgot nebe. I pinso Ebrabaso and Crawford baby ye huano. And it's a fact. Me bejina ha ka kira mo say please sa de we ya ekoso abaye papa yi moma ye nhye ne yie na enye no kre ene de ye ne nam na abrofo photoshop na ye de ba say dey oh mon san feri ade and it is all because we allowed and I'm making statement to be on my page say we allowed people like Kevin Taylor A+, those shallow-minded boys who have nothing to say, oh, ye hold the government accountable. Now they be a make say, what would GDP say A+ ye no for? Now A+ ye correct. Why is he a flip-flopper? This guy said he brought TPP because he wanted to hold government accountable. Like way the air woman say holding government accountable, A+ and his old TPP entourage couldn't even present one reform. Okay, say, and as Gracia, yan pennyfono, omu diska, and pennyphone diska, yo. Me ya kola. No man who's a penny diska, me peso diska no. And then I kick in things that can change that. What are one of those things? By going to parliament, because that is where laws are changed and laws are made, right? Because we voted them there, because they are the people's representation. I go to them and I tell them, say, hey, killers, muhen yo, as Gracia, reader say, mu chum, and I say, mu teso. And yes, idea, the next time I'm mobile see a better abana, yam, nebunia to Abamamo. Can be a namso, mobile losing seat, mobile losing seat. You keep them on their toes. You make the system work. Kwadwo mo sebi o sebi manusi suminaso on shisha merano onu mbom na ye person ho ye wahi o ti ase Kwadwo no onu mbom no omo person ho ye wahi na waka say Kwadwo ye say Kwadwo ye say nanka o yes a we na bo enanka dia ye de ma no adodode no anka ode bra mo ghetto boys bi dia anka you okay. Or find the boys in the bay 20 bia, or be a 50-50 Ghana, make no aquaje bear 1 million Ghana cedis. No, I bet my money 50-50 Ghana. Oh, A plus do you good, oh, you're good the same. Only porn one papa says, me ama will me bear no me home. Will be on one hand to say, Nyan Nini trim. Or no, and another Ghana for say, yes, your yes symbol of a. And then all backtrack it. A plus. Come here, Sare. O na hunta check say nanka ho. And then you just say 11 year. You people, the things that will come on you people, no munye hu ye. Mo, me promise you guys on my page 2021 say all these soldiers they have raised against Kwadwo shall be the same soldiers they will use to fight the same people that trained them. They can't not between same media grow. But it's the fact. Because me say, and then me message ni say, Kwadwo, or ye guilty. I want someone ye can find who na was say economy. Sabi on your baby kodi adian niama on your all these things they are saying. Is he guilty? And I say your time hunu kekeni at the time. Me kwesi Appiah de I me the fact na ye adwuma no ubisa me make say your time hunu. Make say your time hunu because number one. And now just social media, you say Oliver, me say me will vote and one be. Say Jimmy for boys be na. Almost say some economic freedom fighters. Now they be a mecha. Oh God, my God, please one day, I just want you to drop something into their hearts. Yo, may a freedom, economic freedom fighter. Bragovi, may economic freedom fighter, which means say. Anything that has to do with the economy, I want it to be positive. Okay, so let's look at it. These boys, you almost saw me economic freedom fighters, no? They are fighting for economic freedom, but couldn't admit the fact to say 2016. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Etia Konyasono, na economically no, near the IMF. Oliver no said they didn't see that too. They claim they want economic freedom. But Obaye no, Oba start here the way no. Now you will free say me pacho Kufuor ko near IMF Debbie. Atamils Appleux near IMF Debbie. Inti banse near call IMF Debbie. We are not interested in that. You yate. If you are not interested in that, then as an economic guru, your basis of argument, Mommy Mary Pacho, I'm very good, should be based on economic indicators. And this is also an economic freedom fighter. Na nyansa wo witrim na nyasoma bi na yasoma wo se brabe jimia mesramo ani die mu a mo hwa me anim ne akire ni nara me question na me bisa ne say the economy jobi na economy no grow at 14.05%, which is a fact. I dare any NDC person or communicator to come and challenge me on this. If you are a man, come and face me, said they are making a drop. But they won't come. The only baby can say, Kwasia Bulu, foolish boy, crazy boy, oh my, oh papa, that is all they can say. Oliver, you claim, say, you are for economic freedom. Yet, you forgot, say, Oliver, your shallow brain forgot to tell you, say, number one, before Nana Akufo-Addo came into government, not only were we in IMF, our GDP that shows the strength of the country in terms of economic-wise was shrunk. At a meal, see, we did 14.5%. Munko check na munkanchire mesemeboa. Na obiaba na unim de ya na ya me ya omo se maha membra no menti o mase ne se e ya membuo ni na ye ntiase obi na ada da omo ana se ye beye keke ne show mani ase a empire de pamagana e ya me wanwa ya the 14.05% GDP growth eja president bi mo hwe de oyeye me pa cho mahama obedi ade yi ben mo ntro ntoa obi ba na ono so etu ebe take note me pa cho ya papa mahama ye to aba man 2012 obedi ade 2013 me pa cho no correct unless somebody has a different date. Ya papa mahama was voted to become the president of Ghana in the year 2013. It is a fact. Okay, Afe Francis Kusiti Hamame. Now, we be out the pa. Ubejia di say, ya papa mahama baby ade as president no 2013 no. Munim year ye call IMF. Obi betumi atro wa ha. The year ye call IMF. Tio 14.05% GDP. Meaning you are growing. You want to talk about more indications? Unemployment and Ghana for no Kufuor bomode ateswa oh erade Kufuor do be adwuma no Kufuor unemployment no so about 4.6. Inflation Kufuor ya inflation are driving down to single digits. Cedi to dollar ratio Kufuor be found at 25%. Kufuor free so now about 6.4%. Appiah share the magic wand of Mahama, what he did within just 1 year. With all the growth and the oil sector growth that Amils prepared to na orgy. With all the loans or Gigi Yenina, Mr. Mahama Maya demand in Nechino. 1 year of becoming president of Ghana, 2014. And Johnny ye or man and say, hey, say Jumana say na from hey president di any say na tie we do me ma mensa so IMF mo meje me man no na anka president ya wo do wo ma na sabe waje nurses training allowance every nsem nya she is kenyo waje teachers training allowance every nsem nya she is kenyo utility bills for tertiary and university students welcome nya she. Then your wickedness collaterals with the jobs of Ghanaian youth. Tina ya na mo nurse fo a woto abama NDC ya na mesi wotiri mu odin nyankopon ma won koso da. Especially mo 2013 2014 na mutifie na Akufo-Addo be fa mo. A teacher fo a te say teacher Kwadwo. Ma usa mekano ha. Mukai teacher Kwadwo boy bi chenchini a oba fight GS or no nkwa no ye Robocop oba fight GS oba fight and the man they say so irrelevant in the public space. Why irrelevant in the public space? Unim de entia because ensabina nyankopon ma ne turn so, and this is a fact upon fan certificate in date of high amra Akufo-Addo be di ade no Ghana for when our president Nana Addo Dankwa became president, the first batch of teachers here are buying the fire. Na teacher Kwadwo kan hu obi anko check here for 2017. You see, me say teacher Kwadwo na no say sabi Ghana Education Service and say there ye hu dia ye ho no ma me papa utie me say teacher Kwadwo no Mahama pencil ye channel allowance no say Mahama ye Mahama pencil ye cha sabi ni researchers and books and researchers allowances ye chemu no say Mahama ye say teacher Kwadwo 2013 2014 His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the teacher for Juma, Echo signing IMF what we call policy credit.